Obviously, it has damaged Liz Truss's leadership. We've had a leadership contest over the summer, and it just feels, I think, to people outside, that somehow it's just kept going. And in a sense, there's a part of the party that isn't necessarily accepting the decisions that Liz is now taking as Prime Minister. I felt that the backtracking on the 45 pence was almost inevitable. But I do think some of the concerns around values seem to suggest almost a party that wants to pull in different directions. And at some point, the Conservative Party is going to have to come together to not only be in government and be united, but to be united to a wider country. And I think for the public out there, it was bad enough having a leadership contest across a really important point in the summer when there was a cost of living crisis brewing and people wanted to know how they were going to get supported. If there's a sense that that debate isn't finished, and that this party is a bit like in the dog days of Theresa May's government, going to continue debating amongst itself about the best way to run Britain, then that's going to be a recipe for real disaster. But I do think that in the end, yes, Labour are 33 points ahead, and some of those polls have been astonishing in a way, but it is a very febrile political climate right now. But the party does and will have to come together if it wants to make a success of the next 2 years and the next election.